Hey guys, it's Aja with a very quick tutorial on the taping up method. Now, as we all know, everyone does not have just one layer of lashes. So with this method, it helps you place lash extensions on the layers that are not easily seen. So you can see me taking the tape at the end of the extensions and just taping it up above the eye. Very simple. Do not pull the extensions up so far that the eye opens. Just gently pull them up just a little bit. And as you can see, the bottom layers are exposed, and you can now go with the regular process of placing lash extensions, isolation, and placing. This method helps a lot. Again, everyone does not have one layer of lashes. Usually people have 2 or 3 layers. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You can rewind and rewatch. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, share, and we'll be coming to you more often with more videos.